everyone. Welcome to a short journey through the Harmony Homestead in Clunes in the Byron Bay hinterland. This place was more than just an Airbnb. It was an absolute sanctuary, a spiritual nirvana. From serene surroundings to tranquil moments, I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you all. Let's dive in. I've had my eye on this unique Airbnb for quite some time now. Drawn in by its promise of serenity and charm. From the moment I arrived, it felt like a retreat into nature. Every detail inviting me to slow down and soak it all in. This property is full of surprises, from trails that lead to hidden spots of beauty, quiet corners perfect for reflection. It's the kind of place that reveals itself little by little. Where every moment feels special. I've stayed in many Airbnbs with hot tubs, pools and jacuzzis before, each one offering its own charm. But here, I discovered something truly unique. Something I've never experienced before. This eco swimming pond. It seamlessly blends into its surroundings and feels alive in a way that no hot tub or pool ever could. It's not just a place to swim. It's an invitation to connect with nature in a way that stays with you long after you leave. Truly an experience unlike anything I've had before. Under the twinkle of fairy lights, the night at Harmony Homestead is filled with a soft chorus of cicadas. The warm glow of the light reflects off the dome, creating an intimate and cozy atmosphere. And laughter is shared amongst friends. It's a magical close to a day immersed in nature's beauty. So if you're after inspiring experiences with nature, and your tranquility needs a refurbishment, then Harmony Homestead is for you.